This is a review of the iPad keyboard case for the 9th generation, 8th generation, and 7th generation iPad in the color of blue, 10.2-inch screen size that I would definitely recommend. The first thing I want to start off by saying about this iPad keyboard case is that it's been absolutely amazing for me. I absolutely love it. And you can see that it comes with a keyboard. It comes with a USB. That USB is to pretty much to charge up the keyboard whenever the battery life goes out. So you have that to charge it up. And right here you have the beautiful iPad keyboard case in blue. And also it comes with a pencil holder as well too. So you can use your pen and pretty much use your iPad like that as well too. It also comes with the auto and off wake up mode as well too. So pretty much there's a magnet underneath this, and that pretty much auto detects when your iPad is on and when you want to turn it off. So when I twist this button, it opens and it turns on. And when I close it, it closes up and you hear that click sound. And then that's when you know the iPad is closed. But I'm going to be putting the keyboard and its iPad together to show you guys how it exactly looks when you want to transform it into the laptop mode. So here we have it in the laptop mode, and as you can see here, it looks absolutely beautiful. The screen and the keyboard, overall, it looks very amazing. I absolutely love it. And right here, you can see the interface of the keyboard, and I'm going to turn it on. That is the connect button right over here. This button over here is for your off and on button. So I'm going to turn off my keyboard, and I'm going to turn it on now. So that way we could connect it to Bluetooth. And you pretty much from there, you go to settings, and then you go to general, and then Bluetooth. And then right from there, you see here, you click on connect. And then from there, your keyboard would connect to the iPad. And that's right there. It will transform into a laptop, so you can use the keyboard and pretty much use it around everywhere and pretty much treat your iPad just like a laptop. So right from here, you can see I'm in my notes tab, and if I'm typing in something like pretty much if there's something you want to remember, or if you forgot and you want to type it in, you could type in that. And right from here, I'm going to pretty much type in what I want to remember. For example, hello, and it types in like that. There's no lag or anything like that. This iPad keyboard cover is probably one of my most favorite ones because of how the keyboard functions as I'm typing in. And one of the best things about this iPad keyboard case is that it has a long battery life and a fast charging, and it's very sturdy and protective design. It also has an anti-drop case that it has cushions, and it impacts it if it falls down, which you don't want that to happen, but if it does, it will protect your iPad from getting damaged. It also has a Bluetooth quick connect, so it connects very quickly, and there's no password that's required as well too. And it also has a multi-angle stable support, so that way that if you're wanting to have a comfortable view of watching or movies, videos, or you could adjust the angles so how you want it. Like for example, I have it like right here. You could adjust the angles as well too. But I would definitely recommend this iPad keyboard case for your 9th, 8th, and 7th generation iPad 10.2-inch screen because of how it does everything that was intended. So I absolutely love this iPad keyboard case, and I would definitely recommend it if you are looking for a new iPad keyboard case. Then this is probably one of the best iPad keyboard cases that you could get.